Here comes Cody on the UTV, and Jay's gonna hit him with a paintball gun, because that's the type of guy Jay is. First time on the razor, and Jay's gonna unload on him. Here he comes. Did you get him? Here he comes. Oh, did you get him? That's a lot more than 7 balls, Jay. You better gun it when he comes down here.
Great game.
He stopped up there. Here it comes. He's coming slow. You better gun it.
Did I hit you?
There's definitely marks on the helmet.
Look, I go to the back of the head.
Cody, how fun is paintballs and UTVs?
That's awesome.
Look, I hit him right in the back of the head.
can't see anything.
I can't see. Hold on, turn around. Oh, nice.
I got him right there.
Nice.
Sweet, isn't it?